Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to withdraw money in Etoro. So first, go over here to withdraw funds. Click on that. Then it will load up this page and you have to choose which account would you like to withdraw from. So USD or Euro account. So click on USD since I have here the money to withdraw. Now select the amount, so let's say $35. Here it says how much percentage of your portfolio value it is, and here you can see how much is available to withdraw. Click next, and then you can submit it. Just make sure everything is correct and press submit and withdraw to your Etoro money wallet. So click submit and wait a while it processes your payment. And here you have it, your funds are in your Euro account. So you can go to your Etoro Money app and send it to your bank account. That's simple. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.